At first, pick your canvas and select a background color. I am using a light gray color for now. Then pick the type tool and type something. I am using white color and typing shadow. Then make it bigger and place where you want. Now copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and Z and change the color into black. Now drag the copied layer below the original one. We are going to use the black text layer to create shadow. Now press Ctrl and 1 to set the document's zoom level to 100%. Now press Ctrl and T and then press the down arrow key once to bring the black text down by a single pixel. Then press right arrow key once to bring the text to right by a single pixel. You will find something like this. Now press OK. And now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus T and you will see a new copy of the black type layer appear below the original. Repeat this for several times, almost 100 times, to extend the shadow. So the effect is done. If we want to extend more, we can merge all the black text layer and then copy again. So select the last black type layer and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Press and hold Shift and click on the first black type layer. And then copy this by pressing Ctrl and J and positioning the copy so it extends the shadows. I hope these simple tricks will help you. If you love this tutorial, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.